My name is Paramjit Bawa, but I'm known in the industry by my initials, which is PB. I run a tourism consultancy and advisory agency called Auxilia Networks. I've had stints as the regional head for Visit Britain for India and the Middle East. At Auxilia Networks, we work with clients overseas who either want to enter India for the first time or already have a presence here but want to increase that presence, increase their footprint, but they need local expertise. They're not sure how the market works, who should they work with, who should they not, what are the best channels to market for them based on their business and their scale. So we provide all of that local expertise, that knowledge, and we also provide the network and the contacts with the trade that we've built up over all the years we've been in the business. We tend to do more of the B2B work because it's the more cost-effective route to market. So similarly with ETOA, we started working earlier this year. We have 2 or 3 specific remits for ETOA. One is to provide India market intelligence and knowledge for the benefit of ETOA's European members. We are assisting and coordinating ETOA's presence in India next year, early next year. That will be the start of their focused India engagement. We're doing a workshop in Mumbai, a one-day workshop where we will get about 20 European suppliers who are members of ETOA to come down to Mumbai, and we will get about a similar number or a little more higher number of Indian agents, qualified and quality Indian agents, to meet with those suppliers during the workshop. What will those members expect to do? So we are going to recruit between 20 to 25 quality Indian agents who have Europe as a key market for their outbound business, and who are aware of what is required to sell Europe in the market, and who would be useful for these European suppliers to meet. And we are going to have a mix of Indian agents from every segment. So we will have some big wholesalers, and there are a few of those in the market. To name a few would be Thomas Cook, SOTC, Kesari Tours, companies like that. There will be a couple of good big OTAs like Make My Trip or Pick Your Trail. We haven't finalized the list yet, but I'm just giving you examples. There will be the retail operators as well as the wholesalers. So there will be buyers from all segments. There'll be a cross-section of segments, and they will all be quality buyers that we know are relevant for the suppliers that are going to come from Europe to be part of this workshop. And we will make sure that every supplier gets to meet with every buyer, or that every buyer meets each of the 20 suppliers at the workshop. And then there is outbound travel market. Outbound travel market is one of India's biggest, if not the biggest, trade events as of now. We have buyers coming from all over India to attend. ETOA will have a big stand at OTM with participating suppliers under their umbrella. And by taking a stand at OTM, you will meet every kind of buyer from every part of India in every segment. Not all of them will be relevant for the participants or the exhibitors. You get to meet 200 or 300 agents and get their business cards. But then after that comes the work of filtering out the ones which are useful and the ones that you need to focus on. And this is where we come in as well. We help to do that filtering. We help to segregate the agents that our clients meet into categories, like really important, somewhat important, not important, not that important, and not at all important. So we can do that classification for our clients as well. So OTM happens over 3 days in Mumbai at a very nice modern world-class venue called the Geo World Center. And the workshop one day before is at a venue right next to this exhibition center. So everything is in the same part of Mumbai, within walking distance.